How to redeem or use One4all gift card online. Firstly, open a web browser that you prefer and search for One4all gift card. You have to go ahead and select the first option and make sure it is from the official website. Then, tap on Login option at the top of the screen. If you are a new customer, tap on Create an account. If you are already a registered account, go ahead and enter a credential right here and enter login. Once you are logged in into your One4all account, you will see the option of View Retailers at the bottom of the screen. You simply have to tap on View Retailers. From here, you can select any retailer that you want to purchase an item from. Once you have selected a retailer, you will be opened in a new tab where you have to log in to the retailer account. Now, once you are signed into a retailer, you can go ahead and purchase an item from there that you prefer. Then tap on Add to Cart. Once you have added the item to the cart, tap on your cart and tap on Checkout option, which will be displayed right there. While you'll be checking out, you will find a box appearance where you can enter your promo code and your gift card. Simply go ahead and enter the PIN and the number of your gift card that is at the back of it. Once you have entered it and check out, you'll be able to redeem your One4all gift card. Isn't it simple? So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.